The real-time tour here at Atrium at Metro West has really helped us streamline our sales process. When folks come in, usually their first question is, hey, what can we walk through? And our answer is, we're not ready for walkthroughs yet, but I have the next best thing.
The real-time tour is a program that we are able to show prospects actual floor plans via a virtual walkthrough as well as an interactive tour. We have the video tours, we have the interactive tours, and we also are able to get to our kiosk from the exact same real-time tour. So that's definitely really helpful. The marketing team was really knowledgeable about how to use the product. They really helped us to implement it, with our sales process. So for the interactive tour, we use actually an Xbox controller. You're driving it, you're controlling it. So it's really like you're walking through the actual floor plan the way that you want to. If you wanted to turn and go directly into the laundry room, or go directly to the kitchen, you're able to do that.
And also being able to toggle back and forth with the different color packages. That's helped tremendously for us to be able to change the cabinet color, the countertop colors, for the kitchen, for the bathrooms, for even the floors.
If we were simply looking at a floor plan, it's hard for them to envision. And with our real-time tour, I can click them into the kitchen and I can say, Miss Jones, do you like white cabinets or would you like a darker cabinet in your kitchen? And she says white. I can click a button and show white. I can show different backsplashes. I can show different floors. And they absolutely love it.
The real-time tour, I think, is definitely really helpful for purchasers when they are able to see furniture layouts.
Being able to visualize the size of the rooms, and the furniture is a king-size bed in this bedroom, so you know that this bedroom will fit a king-size bed.
You can kind of get an idea of maybe, how you want to place your furniture, what new things that you want to purchase, because of what you had seen in essentially the model home. We won a gala award for the best sales office, which is super exciting.
We equate it to the Oscars of new home construction. So we won an Oscar for this sales trailer, and a big part of that win was the real-time tour.
The most valuable aspect is the people, our prospects, are able to actually see a demonstration just as if they were walking through the home.
We're just selling from floor plans here. So people have really been able to get a feel for what these condos are going to look like when they actually move into them.
It's definitely a good investment, especially for different neighborhoods that will have a longer lead cycle as far as maybe 18 months, like our condos here.
The real-time tour has definitely helped us sell more homes here. I think just the fact that people are able to get a real feel for what their future home is going to look like.
It helps to draw the customer in. It gives them a wealth of information, and it really streamlines the sales process.
Customers love it. Your sales reps will love it, and it's going to help with your sales, and it's going to help retain the customers that have purchased because they have the buy-in and they can visualize it.